always there for us and just watch over us. Okay, rest well, Dad. We're here for you and we'll pray for you and I will remember you every single day of my life. I love you, Dad. And for every
Daddy ni Small Laude na ihatid na sa huling hantungan. Nakakalungkot dahil nga nawala na ang kanilang lolo daddy kung tawagin. Napakamasayahin at loving lolo sa mga apo at mga anak si Lolo Andres. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sabi nga ng isa sa mga apo ni Lolo Andres, "Grief, I've learned, is really just love. It's all the love you want to give but cannot. All of that unspent love gathers up in the corners of your eyes, the lump in your throat, and in that hollow part of your chest. Grief is just love with no place to go." Sila nga ang tatlong anak na babae ni Mr. Eduardo, ang kanilang Daddy Andres. Ito si Melba, Alice Eduardo at ang kilalang kilala na si Miss Small Laude. Nakakalungkot dahil ito na rin ang huling pagkakataon na makikita nila ang kanilang daddy na kung saan ay talagang mahal na mahal nila at tuwing umaalis sila ng bansa ay inihahatid sila sa airport.
I will go home if you want.
Hindi, ano na eh, matutulog ka pa eh.
I'll go home.
Malayo ba? How many minutes?
15.
Very malayo rin, ha?
Not really.
Hindi, kahit na.
You want me to go home now?
I don't want you to go home. I want you to stay here up to 3:30.
3:30 for merienda.
Ah,
always there for us and just watch over us. Okay, rest well, Dad. We're here for you and we'll pray for you and I will remember you every single day of my life. I love you, Dad. And for everyone who's here, who showed their love and support to our family, each and every one of you, we're so grateful and thank you to everyone. So we love you guys. So that's it for my eulogy. So thank you. No bashing. It's for fun.
Woman of Steel kung tawagin ang ate ni Small Laude na si Miss Alice Eduardo, who lost her beloved father, Dr. Andres Eduardo, on February 1. Recalls that her father would protectively accompany her to her project sites, sometimes just waiting in the car for her, no matter how long it took. Like her mother Elisa, a CPA, they would also give her moral support as she ventured out to bid for projects with top multinational construction firms, waiting in the car as Alice was talking pesos and contraction piles in the boardroom. When she rushed him to the hospital for the last time on Wednesday, Alice still held on to her father's hand. Truly, as a friend said, even in their weakest, our parents are our source of strength. Kahit nasa kanila na ang lahat at talagang napakayaman, lalong-lalo na ang woman of steel na si Miss Alice Eduardo. Talagang ang kanyang mga magulang ay mahal na mahal niya. Hindi niya talaga iniwan ang kanyang Daddy Andres hanggang sa mga final moment nito, kasama rin niya ang dalawa pa niyang kapatid na si Miss Small Laude at si Miss Melba. Samantala, ipinakita naman ni Small Laude ang mga bulaklak kung gaano kadami ang nagmamahal sa kanila. Ganon din kadami ang bulaklak na nagdatingan sa funeral ng kanyang Daddy Andres. Talagang napakadami at wala halos mapaglagyan. Isa rin sa mga apo ni Lolo Andres ay nagbigay ng final message para sa kanya. As Lolo is now placed in his final resting place, I want to share more of the memories I have had with him. From being with him growing up as a kid, being with him abroad, amazed by what the world has to offer, being a loving father to his family, and the special moment we had when he would beg me to stay longer with him. No words can express how much I love you and how I will miss you so much. Please visit me in my dreams. I'd love to have merienda with you again. From Stephen Solidum.
All see that we were in Mandarin, I remember in Orchard. We didn't know how to break the news to my dad. I said, Dad, you have to stay. Because the doctor said that you have to be operated tomorrow. Oh, actually, he didn't know. We didn't tell him about it. So you have to go for a consultation, and that moment he didn't know he would be under the knife. And he said, I don't want anymore, I want to be for Manila. And he was so excited, like bringing the luggage. We'll go to the airport, and he was, no, rest well, and I know you'll be in heaven. And I always pray for Papa, from the Lord, to bless and be with my dad. Huwag niya papabayaan sila, and always watch over us. So that's it for my eulogy for my Lord. I love you for my dad, and I love you so much. And I know you'll go to heaven and just watch over us. Thank you guys, and to everyone who came, supported us, each and every one of you. Thank you so much. We will not forget all of this. Thank you so much, guys. No bashing, it's for fun.